Everyone, we're out here at conf24 and I'm talking to Bruce from TekStream. And you guys have won multiple awards, multiple years in a row. What makes you such a awesome Splunk partner?
We're deeply embedded. We have the tattoo. We've joined the cult. We take the full gamut of Splunk technology and leverage it to its best advantage. We're building to the extent that we're building solution or IP on top of that. We are not necessarily compromising the ability to sell product in the IP that we develop, and our solutions are very much investment focused as opposed to kind of the proprietary outsourced model. So our customers, where we have them, own the license, and we build our IP on top of that platform instead of, so when, for instance, we're outsourcing, we do MSP outsourcing, MDR outsourcing, and in that context then, as an investment model, they get rid of us, they keep what they've built, right? And so every other MDR provider out there, when you tear them out, runs with everything that they own and you start over, right? So it's a much deeper investment, let's say, in a Splunk future. Yeah.
And so some of this IP that you built, where has that made a really big impact in one of your customers?
Well, great question. For us, a lot of what we're focused on now, especially in the security space, because I kind of run the security group on delivery side, a lot of that is focused on multi-agency, multi-institutional types of environments. So we've built a lot of IP to do propagation of assets across disparate multi-instance environments. And so I know that's a focus going forward with Splunk. We've kind of had to craft a lot of that ourselves, meaning we share incident awareness across all of our customers, all the member institutions in a JSOC, in an enclave. And so we're not just doing IOCs, we're sharing the context for any given threat that's uncovered, MITRE ATT&CK, metadata, and all the kind of what users and so forth. And so we're able to propagate assets into all of those member institutions. So not only are we really sharing threat awareness across institutions using a MOM model, but we're then pushing searches up to do iterative kind of coordinated incident response. So if we have a breakout of Log4j, for instance, we look for long URL strings, we pull all of that telemetry data back, we put the, do successive searches to figure out where the user is, do pivoting, look at the host, how deep have they gotten, how broad, and then we can, on a coordinated level, do incident response across an entire enclave. So it's paying off a lot for us in the kind of the student-led or student-powered SOCs that we use, and that's a lot of, we're doing a lot of SLED work, but it also has an applicability in the commercial space. So that's kind of what we're focused on right now. Obviously, we cover the full stack, though, the full gamut of observability and ITSI, and pretty much all of the other products. We've got a Cisco partnership, so we're working with some of the major Cisco partners to enable them. They're realizing that it takes a year to build a Splunk practice, so we're helping to bridge that gap for a lot of like WWT and Presidia and those guys.
Fantastic. So a lot of great information, broad set of capabilities that you have. Where do I go to get some more information?
TekStream.com.
TekStream.com.
TekStream. Yep, that's right.
All right. Well, thanks, Bruce, for your time, and thanks for the information.